Hello dropshippers! Are you interested in witchcraft or any kind of magic? Well, today we will dive into the niche which is about all kind of magic. And we are going to look at Etsy, dropshipping strategy and selling these kind of products. Watch this video until the end, because at the end I'm going to show you a great store on Etsy which is selling great profitable products in this niche. Let's go. Welcome to the magic niche for dropshipping. Well, if you're interested in this topic and you know something about this, like tarot reading or any crystals, so you might find a lot of things to sell on Etsy. Well, we are looking now only at dropshipping niches, and let me show you cool products you can sell in this niche. I like niches like that because here they're more like narrow niches, and you have like the customer who is interested in this particular product, so you are not like going too generic. So here you have very narrow audience which is very interested in this topic. So, well, the first thing that comes to everybody's mind when we talk about magic and magical readings, so of course it's tarot cards, but also they sell really well. They're very popular, they're selling like crazy. I would not recommend to sell them because they're more like IP infringement items, and so you can get banned just because you are selling them. So it's better to avoid this particular topic. But if you start selling in this niche jewelry, you will get really cool results. So, and in this niche you have more expensive items than you would sell like in normal niche with some flower necklaces or whatever. So for example, tarot necklace. So it depends from what material it is made of, but here we have a lot of best sellers. And let me open which one. This one, I think it's this one. It has some unique design, and you can like make it as if it's made to order, right? So here personalization is optional, but here you have a lot of information to get to, right? So it can be like personalized item. Also, this is a very generic item from AliExpress, but we have a really good price. So if you compare with just flower necklace, right? So now it's spring and it's quite popular, right? So the prices will be much lower in, some floral designs than in specific tarot necklaces, right? So that's why it's really good to go in a narrow niche. Okay, so tarot cards, no, it's dangerous, but they sell, of course, really well. But jewelry, tarot jewelry is good. And in this niche, of course, if you want to create a magical store, so at the end of this video, I will show you a really viral product and with huge margins, but we'll go step by step. So, of course, we will talk about a lot of special crystals and bracelets, giving some meanings, like protection bracelet, right? So it's quite, it has a lot of demand, and yeah, people buy a lot of this stuff, because they believe it might protect them, right? Because they believe that there is, something they should be protected from. So, this is not very expensive niche, but just a part of the store for a magical store. This is a good part. So definitely look here. So there are many meanings behind crystals, and they can protect you or give you energy or whatever. And you can easily create product with your photos. I recommend take your photos. Don't make them with AI because Etsy doesn't like it now. So just buy it. It's not expensive. Take a photo and start selling. So anything about that. And if you know this niche, so of course here we have different, they call them rune, like, so this is like a special symbol, and they believe like every symbol has some meaning. And yeah, so look at the jewelry here with special symbols with runes, and again protection or anything, right? So like necklaces, rings, wallets, whatever. So people are going crazy about this stuff and they buy it, right? Because they think that it really works. Okay, so we can sell this as well because this is absolutely talisman, right? So they call this a talisman. This is absolutely a product from AliExpress. So we can easily sell anything like that, right? So anything. So you can choose plenty of stuff, and you see the prices are very low. Okay, so anything about that with runes and also, runes themselves. So there are many digital products in this niche, and also you can find a lot of information that you can combine like in one digital product about this, right? So plenty of free sources, and we have ChatGPT to create a lot. So and these things, right, runes, people use them, they like to draw them, make some spells with these or something like that. So this is also a good thing to look at, and everything is made in China, right? So nothing specific about that. But if you create the store with everything about this magic, right? So look, this is the like a guide, right? So why not? This is really like a specific product for this niche. So you can take it as well. So don't think about Etsy and dropshipping very generic, right? So yeah, selling floral necklaces, yes, of course, they're in demand, but you will face a lot of competition in this niche. And if you go like more into specific interests and hobbies, you will get less competition and you will get faster sales with less expenses on advertising or on anything. And the niche that I wanted to show you is this one. This is absolutely cool niche, and this is all drop shipping. You can check every single item in this store, and they are all on AliExpress. For example, right? So I really love the prices here. So have a look, 81 euros. So just think about that. So some wooden shelf sells for 81 euros, right? So there are colors, and look at the sales. So just $2,000 a month from 26 sales. Yes, so not 200, but from 26 sales. So because this is expensive product, and let's have a look how much it is on AliExpress. Check the sizes, right? So this one is for 12, right? So we need to double check the price, but yeah, so this is AliExpress niche 100%. And if you look, at this store, so it can be perfectly created for, these witchcraft professionals or whatever they are called. and so you will get trust, you will get likes, so they will subscribe to your store because they see that it is everything for them, right? So they have here sun catches, right? So you can oh yeah, there's storage, so where you can store your cards and crystals, right? So again, everything is on AliExpress. So this is absolutely great store that is making a lot of money. So let's have a look how they're doing. And yeah, so they're making 2 million, right? So basically total revenue is 2 million, and all they're selling is, you know, all this stuff for magic, and mainly, you know, like expensive items. And this is the bestseller, I think, the shelf that we have found. And it's easily to source anything from this and to start selling. So don't go for some ordinary wooden shelves, because it's harder to sell something, you know, ordinary, and especially on Etsy. So it's much harder to sell something not design. So here it's more specific, like design. I mean, like some floating, easy, cheap shelf, than something specific for this specific audience, right? So think narrow for your store and create a really great experience for your customer, and they will love you, they will follow your store, and you will get great business. Okay, good luck. So we'll have a look at more niches with time, and just start doing dropshipping, because this is a really cool business. And if you sell such expensive products, no tariffs can harm you. So because here you have a great margin, you've just seen this. Okay, good luck. Follow for more insights, and I will be happy to share with you more interesting niches.